Hello everyone, my name is Saklen Mulla and today is 18th of November and I am here to talk about the control statements in Java. So the code written in the Java is executed from top to bottom. So the statements in the code is executed in whatever manner they appear. But sometimes if we need to control the flow of the code, we shall make use of the control statements that are provided in Java. So in Java there are control statements that allows us to check the condition and execute a certain part of the code depending upon the condition, whether if it is true or false. These are called as control statements. So let us see what are the types of the control statements. The control statements can be said to be the if else and switch case. So first we will see what is if statement. In order to write the if statement, we need to use the keyword if, which is followed by the parenthesis bracket, and inside this parenthesis bracket we need to write the condition, and after that followed by curly braces we need to write the statements that we need to execute inside that curly braces, which is also called as the block of the statements. So let us see now how this whole thing will work. When the code is executed, the condition or the expression inside this brackets or inside this parenthesis will be checked, and the expression will be evaluated, and the boolean value will be formed, whether it will be true or false. So if this boolean value is true, the if block or the block of the statements inside the curly brackets will be executed. So this is how it will work. First it will check the condition, and if the condition is true, then the block of the statements will be executed. So this is about the if. So what if this part or this boolean value is false? So what will happen? We will use the if else. So when the condition is true, the if block will be executed, and when the boolean value or the condition is false, then the else block will be executed. Now let us talk about the switch statement. The switch statements allows us to select one of many blocks to be executed. So let's see how this actually works. First we will use the keyword switch, and after that it will be followed by the parenthesis bracket, and inside which the expression will be written, and again this switch case will be consisting of the statements or the body inside which different cases will be written, and when the expression of this switch is evaluated, the evaluated expression is checked with the expression of the cases. If the expression matches, the certain case will be executed. So this is about the switch case. We can also use break and default in the switch case. If we need to break the flow of the code, we will use the break, and if any of those cases written in the switch are we can say that they are not as equal as the expression of the switch, so we will use the default value inside of that switch case. So this is all about control statements in Java.